Welcome to Cozy's Corner. Today on the show, I'm going to be teaching you how to make an icy pole. Now, they're not real, they're just pretend, but it is starting to warm up here in Melbourne, Australia. So anything to cool us down will be great. Okay, here's what you'll need. Some sort of sponge, some jumbo icy pole sticks. Then you're gonna need sequins, lots of different sequins to choose from. Maybe some googly eyes if you want to make your icy pole become a bit of a character. You'll need PVA glue and some scissors, okay, because you might want to cut the sponge to make it a little bit smaller. In fact, I might start by doing that. I'm going to make 2 icy poles today, and I'm going to cut this one maybe like so it's more of a icy pole, like a rectangular icy pole, just like that. Now, at the end, once I've decorated my sponge, I'm going to actually glue the sponge to the icy pole stick, and then that way you have an instant icy pole once it's going to be decorated. Okay, so get my glue. I'm going to choose these cool sequins. There's a bit of a sun here. I'm going to make sure the glue is on. Okay, paste it on. It's gonna look so good. Oh, cool. I've got a dinosaur. Do you have sequins at your house? Because they're so much fun because you can get so many like shapes and animals and plants and flowers and colors. Oh, a bumblebee. I know it's hard to see, but bumblebees are super cute. But I just really want to make my sponge heaps of different colors. So it stands out. What do you think? It's pretty. Now I'm going to paste this one off. Oh, oop the daisies. Silly Cozy. Oh, what the? That's just too much glue. Okay, pop that on there. Oh wow, it's like an instant icy pole. Now my next one, ooh, I'm gonna cut it again. Oh, I might cut it this way this time. So I make it a longer one. I do love the color blue. What's your favorite color? Because mine's actually orange and purple, but I also love rose gold as well. I've got lots of favorite colors. Now I'm gonna make this icy pole. I'm gonna make it have eyes. It's gonna be so funny. So then it's kind of like I can play with my icy pole as a puppet, as well as just enjoying my little pretend icy pole treat. Yay, here we are. I've let my icy poles dry and they're ready now. Oh! Okay, Cozy didn't let that dry enough. Silly me. Uh-oh. Oh no. Wow, what is happening here? Cozy, you need to wait longer. You gotta be patient. Patience is the key. Yay! They're still drying a little bit and we don't want them to come off. So keep them to dry for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then you can have your icy poles. That's nice and cool in this hot weather we've been having, and it's nearly summer, so this is going to be very handy. I hope you've enjoyed watching Cozy's Corner. Bye!